be showing you how to do the body rock TikTok dance trend, which is probably the most popular one right now. But before we get started, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And now let's get into it. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's going to be a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. The first thing we're going to do is 2 jumps. So first up, we're going to jump to the right or to the left, doesn't really matter. But one of our legs is just going to be on the floor straight. And the other one, we're going to bend it and we're going to try to touch out our heel with our hand. And then we're going to do the same to the other side. So you're just going to go 1, 2, just like that. So 1, 2. And then we're going to do cross, uncross. So once again, 1, 2, and then cross, uncross. Okay? Once again, 1, 2, and then cross, uncross. So you have to do it fast. You can't do 1, 2, and then go here, and then cross, and then uncross. You have to cross them straight away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and after this, our hands are going to do like a small, I call it a rainbow because they go like over your head, like that. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after that, there are like 2 beats, and people just go like 1, 2. So just do like this with your hands, and you're gonna go 1, 2. Okay, once again, from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, and then 1, 2, and then you're gonna do this. 1, 2. So you're going to be stepping outwards. So first your right leg is going to go here and then out and step, and then same with your left leg. In, out, step. And then you're going to do the same thing but the other way around. In and step, and then in and step, if that makes sense. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, after this, people usually do it like when they're like 2 people, right? But we're gonna do it by ourselves. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's not gonna be really fast. It's just gonna be like pretty slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like we're going to point up, then down, then up, then down. If you're doing it with a friend or something, you're going to like switch. So first you go like this while they do this thing, and then you're going to switch and you're going to do this thing and they're going to do this thing. But if you do it by yourself, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to brush something off our shoulder and then the other side. So 1, 2, and then last 2 steps, we're going to step to the right with our right leg. We're going to go 1, and then we're just going to switch like that. So 1, 2. So it's like a small wave, if that makes sense. And that's it. That is the whole dance. So we're going to be doing it from the beginning twice. First, we're going to go slow, then fast, and we're done. So first, let's do it slow. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, rainbow, and then 1, 2, step, 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 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now the same thing but a little bit faster. Okay, let's go. First, the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, rainbow. 1, 2, step, 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 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And now let's go fast. So first we're going to start with the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, step, 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 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye! Yeah, yeah.